Hi, it's Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly tech review of the cryptos. This week we're looking at Bitcoin and last week's frontrunner Binance Coin. We'll be looking at the weekly support, resistance and pivot levels, the MACDs and the moving averages. This is the tech analysis for the week ending Sunday the 11th of October. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar, we're looking at the daily candlesticks here. It's a relatively bullish start to the week. Gonna need to see Bitcoin avoid a fall through the pivot at 10,688 and that morning low, Monday morning low 10,680 to support run at the first major resistance level. It sits at 10,985. Gonna need to see broad-based crypto rally through the week for Bitcoin to break back through to 10,900 levels. However, so barring an extended rally on the week, expect that first major resistance level and last week's high is sitting at 10,986 to pin Bitcoin back. In the event of a breakout, got the second major resistance level set 11,283 to cap any upside. A fallback through the pivot would bring the first major support level sitting at 10,390 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the week, we should see Bitcoin steer clear of sub 10,300 support levels. The second major support level sits at 10,093. Looking at the MACD, we've seen Bitcoin avoid a bearish cross over this here, and we're seeing a slight narrowing of the bullish histograms, suggestive of a move northwards in the week. Looking at the EMAs, there's nothing particularly conclusive, however. The 50 is holding its ground against the 100 and the 200, suggestive of also support in the week. So key through the early part of the week would be to avoid a fall back through the pivot level to sub 10,500s to support a run at that first major resistance level and then to bring 11,000 levels into play in the week. Moving across to Binance Coin against the US dollar. So bullish start to the week. Going to need to see Binance Coin avoid a fall through the pivot, sitting at 28 to support a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 30.79. Going to need to see extended crypto rally through the week for Binance Coin to break out from last week's high, 29.83 and through to 30 levels, however. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Binance Coin visit 32 levels. You have the 32.59 second major resistance level to cap any upside in the week. A fall through the pivot level would bring the 23.6% fib at 27.5 and the first major support level sitting at 26.23 into play before any recovery. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Binance Coin should steer clear of sub 25 support levels. You've got the second major support level sitting at 23.47 and the 38.2% fib at 23.5 to limit any downside in the event of an extended sell-off. Looking at the MACDs, following late September's bullish cross, we're seeing widening of the bullish histograms through late last week and the beginning of this week, supportive of this move northwards. On the EMAs, we're also seeing the 50 pull away from the 100 and the 200, suggesting a bearish start to the week. So steering clear of sub 28 should support a run at 30 levels and then bring that major resistance level into play.